Val? Saan ka?
Oh, I have to do the bed test first.
Ah.
Hi, Max.
Yes?
Oh, what are you doing there?
The bed test. I want to do it too. Okay?
Okay.
1, 2. Oh my God. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Nalayo ko, Val.
Why?
Ah.
Bumagsak yung ano?
Yeah.
Ulo?
Hindi pwede, hindi
Oh.
pwede.
Okay, pero okay naman matulog dyan.
Let's try tonight.